Warning: hackers target Python devs with fake PyPI site phishing attack. A serious warning has just been issued to Python developers. Hackers are actively targeting them with phishing scams that use a counterfeit Python package index (PPI) website. But here's where it gets controversial. While PPI itself remains secure, the attackers are exploiting the trust developers place in this essential platform to steal login credentials. PPI, found at ppi.org, is the central hub where Python developers share and download third-party software packages. It hosts hundreds of thousands of these packages and serves as the default source for Python's package management tools, making it a critical resource in the Python ecosystem. Mike Fiedler, a PyPI administrator, recently alerted the community that although PyPI has not been compromised, users are being targeted by a phishing campaign. This scam involves emails sent to developers who have published projects on PyPI and included their email addresses in the package metadata. These emails, which come from the suspicious address noreply@pypj.org, carry the subject line, PyPI email verification. The email instructs recipients to click a link to verify their email address, but this link leads to a fake website designed to look exactly like the official PyPI site. Once users enter their login details on this fraudulent site, the attackers capture their credentials. To make the deception even more convincing, the fake site sends the login information to the real PyPI, so users believe they have successfully logged in. Why is this so dangerous? The stolen credentials could be used to inject malware into existing Python packages or to upload entirely new malicious packages onto PyPI, potentially affecting thousands of developers and users who rely on these packages. In response, PyPI administrators have placed a prominent warning banner on the official PyPI homepage to alert users about this phishing threat. They are also actively working with Content Delivery Network, CDN providers, and domain registrars to take down the fraudulent site by filing trademark and abuse complaints. If you're a Python developer or PyPI user who has received one of these phishing emails, the advice is clear. Do not click any links and delete the email immediately. If you have already entered your credentials on the fake site, change your PyPI password right away and review your account's security history for any unusual activity. This incident is not the first time PyPI has faced security challenges. Earlier this year, in February, the Python Software Foundation introduced a project archival system to help maintainers mark projects as archived, signaling to users that no further updates will be made. This was part of ongoing efforts to improve security and trust on the platform. Moreover, in March 2024, PyPI temporarily halted new user registrations and project creations after a malware campaign was discovered. Threat actors had uploaded hundreds of malicious packages disguised as legitimate ones, forcing PyPI to take drastic measures to protect its community. This raises an important question. With PyPI being such a vital resource, are current security measures enough to protect developers and users from increasingly sophisticated attacks? And how much responsibility should the platform bear versus individual users? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think PyPI is doing enough to safeguard its users, or should developers be more cautious and proactive? Share your opinions and experiences in the comments below. Beware of PyPI phishing attacks. Protect your Python packages. In a concerning development, the maintainers of the Python package index, PyPI, have issued a warning regarding a phishing attack that targets users through deceptive email messages. These emails, which appear to come from noreply@pypi.org and are labeled as PyPI email verification, are designed to mislead users into visiting fraudulent package sites. PyPI, the official repository for Python software packages, serves as a platform where developers can publish and share open-source libraries and tools. Users can easily install these packages using the pip command, which is Python's package installer. According to an advisory from Mike Fiedler, a safety security engineer at PyPI, Many users who have published projects on the platform may have received an email titled PyPI email verification from the suspicious email address mentioned earlier. Fiedler emphasizes the importance of recognizing the lowercase j in the domain name, which distinguishes it from the legitimate PyPI domain, pypi.org. Fiedler clarifies, this is not a security breach of PyPI itself, but rather a phishing attempt that exploits the trust users have in PyPI. The phishing emails prompt users to verify their email addresses through a counterfeit website, which is specifically designed to capture login credentials by redirecting users. To combat this threat, PyPI has placed a banner on their homepage to alert users and encourages them to verify URLs before clicking on any links. The organization is also awaiting responses from Content Delivery Network (CDN) providers and domain registrars regarding the trademark and abuse notifications they have sent concerning the phishing site. For those who have received these phishing emails, it is imperative to refrain from clicking any links or sharing personal information and to delete the email immediately. If you have inadvertently clicked the link and entered your credentials, it is strongly advised to change your PyPI password without delay and to review your account's security history for any unusual activity. Fiedler concludes with a warning. If you have already clicked on the link and provided your credentials, we recommend changing your password on PyPI immediately. Inspect your account's security history for anything unexpected. Stay informed and protect your online presence. Follow updates on Twitter, at Security Affairs, on Facebook, and on Mastodon. This incident raises important questions about online security and the measures we take to protect our information. How can we better educate ourselves and others about recognizing phishing attempts? What steps should platforms like PyPI take to enhance user security? Share your thoughts in the comments below.